सो वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। टुडे वी आर ड्राइविंग दिस Hyundai Creta which is EX variant 2020. This is how it looks. Alloy wheels are a necessary. They are not offered as in stock in this variant particularly. This is how it looks from back. Let's start with the boot. The boot is 433 liters, which is quite big. Actually quite big. Here is a light placement. Here is a cubby space. Here is the spare wheel of the car, which is 205/65/16, which is the same size wheel. That's crazy, but it's not an alloy because alloys were offered as an accessory on this car. Here is the partial shelf, which is solid. Here is the handle to put down the boot. Okay, Hyundai badging, Creta badging, LED DRLs, but the bulbs are halogen. Beautiful tail lights. See this treatment looks excellent. Well, the car's tail lights have been quite controversial, and headlights too. Not everyone liked it, but who liked it were quite happy with it. Here is the backlight of the car, which turns on when you are put in the reverse gear. Here is the fake exhaust. Here is the fake exhaust. The real exhaust lies between somewhere down. Yeah. Can you see? Actually, there is too much rain. I can't see it properly. Here is the high mounted stop lamp, which is down. Here is the spoiler, the shark fin antenna. Okay. Here is, from here the fuel goes in. Let's get to the back seat. The doors feel quite heavy. This is how the car looks. The plastic is hard, but it looks quite nice with this black and grease color scheme. This is to grab the handle. The door pockets are small here. A 1 liter bottle cannot be fit in. Let's get in. These are the rear seats, which are foldable. As in bench, not in 60/40 split. Rear seat belts. Okay, so now we are in the back seat. These are finished in plastic, not in chrome treatment, whereas in upper variants they are offered in chrome. The door feels quite solid. See, the car's build quality is actually nice. So let's talk about the space. Knee room is enough. Scooped out seat backs, magazine holders. The car is almost new, that's why the covers have not been removed. Legroom is also quite enough. Thigh support is also actually good. If you have not an habit of sitting like this, if you sit like this, the thigh support is really nice. Headroom is also enough. 6 फुट 2 इंच वाले लोगों का शायद हेड टच हो जाएगा, लेकिन still there is a lot of headroom. Rear AC vents, which is my favorite touch in Hyundai cars. Cubby space, and the matting is also nice, which is opted as an accessory. Okay, so 1 liter bottle can be fitted in. That's good. And you can also put a 100 ml bottle here. Nice storage space. This is how the interior looks of the car. Apple CarPlay is currently now enabled. See, quite impressive. Let's get in front. The car looks quite nice. Body color door handles. but the build quality is amazing. Rain visors, turn indicators on ORVMs. These ORVMs are not auto folding but are electrically adjustable from the inside. Alloy wheels are 205/65/16, which is the same size as of the spare wheel, but the spare wheel is not an alloy because alloy wheels were an accessory. Here are the headlights, LED DRLs which look beautiful, halogen projector setup, indicators are positioned very low. This is how the grille looks. The grille looks decent and suits the car, kind of sporty. Here is the rear front bumper, which is also nice, has a nice treatment, kind of diffuser type, skid plates and all. Let me show you the hood. Okay, no hydraulic studs, but the engine is quite clean. Engine is now currently turned on, but you can barely hear engine noise. It is super refined even while driving. We'll talk about other things. Well, for currently it is a 1.5 liter petrol engine, 1500 cc's. Okay, let's get in. So this is how the car looks from the inside. Okay, plastic treatment. Okay, because ये second model है, kind of when the Linus starts. First is the E, then second is the EX. But in EX also there are ample of features. As you can see, the quality of the screen is very nice. Even while I'm using flash, the screen is very clear. Okay. Front door pockets are quite large enough. The door shuts with a proper noise, kind of feels solid. As I told you, the ORVMs are adjustable. See, it's moving up and down. Let's lock the car. Only these are, I guess, eliminated. I think only this one is eliminated, the driver's side function. Headlight level switch. This is how the screen of the car looks. Okay, so it has this is a beautiful MID of the car. There is a tachometer, there is a speedometer, these are telltale lights. Okay, but this multi-information display is also quite nice, which can be operated from here. As you can see, it is showing my current speed. It is showing the drive info, that is my current fuel economy and kilometers to empty. Here in this fuel, here is the fuel meter, here is the coolant temperature. It is my fuel economy, my best average fuel economy and current speed. So above it is showing kilometers to empty, sorry, my mistake. Here it is the temperature, here it is the odometer current. So beautiful interior as such, very nice treatment on AC vents also. And this plastics are hard, but the interior looks quite good, as quality of the plastic is really nice. Here is the glove box of the car, which is cooled. Let's come to this screen. This screen is very functional. As you can see, it has Apple CarPlay and very fluid to use. Here is the current screen. You go to settings. There you can also assign this char button, anything you want. Here is the volume controller. Speakers are amazing in this car. In upper variants you get both speaker setup, but these speakers are also very crazy, very cool. Let's get into vehicle settings. Air circulation, automatic ventilation, lot of things to play with even at this price point. You go to general, model, system info, Bluetooth remote clock, date time and many other things. map also, which has a beautiful map. It's super fluid. If I search something, I can also get 3D. Super fluid, yaar, super. See? Beautiful maps. Let's get into music. Unable to play music while you are in Apple CarPlay. Let's get it back to Hyundai. Apple CarPlay. Okay. Any media is playing. Actually, we have checked the sound quality. The AC is a chiller. This car does not get the climate control system. It gets the normal AC, which is quite nice. The upper variants get the climate control. There is a cubby space. This does not get the wireless charger. Here is the 12V socket of the car. It is to connect Apple CarPlay and a USB port, and it is to charge with charging USB port. There is the gear lever, which is super smooth. I love it. And it also gets a rear camera, which does not get adaptive guidelines, but it is not able to see properly because of rains. Okay, so it got 2 airbags for the front passenger, and it's really nice car. You got steering mounted controls to control volume, to change modes, to receive and cut the call. Here is the wiper stock. You can see the wipers clear very beautifully. Here is the headlight and indicator stock. The headlights are currently on. This MID looks beautiful. I think it's better than the top variant MID, which gets a digital screen. It looks better, no doubt. If you can argue in comment section. These are for indicators. This is the key of the car. The upper variants get a smart key. This gets a flip key. See, lock, unlock, and tailgate is electrically operated, not an electronic tailgate, but it unlocks the tailgate. Let me show you the seat adjustments. See, beautiful animation. If I open that door, it will show me that door opened. If I open the rear doors, it will show me the rear door is open. So, great attention to detail by Hyundai. There are 2 cup holders and an handbrake. The upper variants get an electric parking brake. This is the armrest of the car, which is not slidable, but it gets quite a space. Good amount of space is here also. Let's check the seat adjustments. The seat is 2-way adjusted, actually 3 ways. First for the recline angle, second for the height adjustment, and third forward and backward. There is a proper dead pedal there and 3 pedals, clutch, brake and accelerator. This is to open the hood, this is to open the fuel lid, and boot can be remotely operated. Okay. So you can see this treatment in other colors like black or grey. This silver treatment looks beautiful. The car is really beautiful from outside as well as inside. See, super loud horn. सारे पड़ोसी जाग जाएंगे इस कार को अनलॉक करोगे तो. Okay, let's start driving.